Good morning, everybody. This is your boy Gavin here again. So, it's time for the first episode of Fire One Update. So, I got one Fire One and one pole station off of eBay, and they came yesterday when I got home from school. So, So let's get into the pole station. You guys, the Firelight BG8. Yep, here it is. So I guess we'll just, pull it. Yep, here's the inside of it. And there's things to connect it. Okay, we got your Firelight key. Okay, now you can just, Yep, pretty simple pole station. And the next one is the alarm, and it's the M5 bell. Yep, here's what it looks like. Okay, so now you can just put the key on it, then make it vibrate. Okay, that is all for this video, and stay tuned in the next one. We're out.